Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Clock ticks slow, past 12. World asleep, me by myself. Moon watch quiet from above. Nighttime speaking language love. After midnight truth come out. When noise, sleep and doubt calm down. Street light dog them back. Roots music echo in the dark. Me burn soft, me ting beat. Some secret only night can keep. Daytime must fall to ground. Real self-fire me found. Me see fear clearer in the dark, but me also see this spark. Silence show me where me stand. Which part strong, which part bend. Herb no hide me, herb no rush. Just hush the useless fuss. Me reason with me shadow side. No more need for run or hide. Roots after midnight speak so true. Show me all and show me new. Roots after midnight calm me soul. Make me broken pieces whole. Me think about choices long gone by. Some still sting, some make me smile. If me change them, me change me now. So me not let them be. Smoke drift like passing thought. Teach me nothing really lost. Everything return one day. Just not hard way, same way. Me hear down for upon the line. Birds soon test them voice in time. Night prepare for let me go. Believe me wiser than before. Roots grow strongest out of sight. Deep inside far from light. So me take the dark and stay until sun came back today. Night no evil, night no wrong. Get just as you listen long. When you sit down truly see dark reveal reality. Root after midnight speak so true. Show me own and show me new. Roots after midnight calm my soul. Make me broken pieces warm. Sun edge up, me stand renewed. Nighttime lesson fully brewed. Me step forward, calm and clean. Carry roots from where me be.
Dust pan shoe, sun pan skin. Me step out slow, breathe in. Old road call, me name again. Story start, where it begin. Me walk path, when no sign them show. Elders mark it long time ago. Cracking stone, roots in sand. Truth never need neon sign. Every mile teach me more. Pain and joy share same door. Me carry smoke, me carry thought. Some lesson can't be bought. We see the city flash and shout, but them light quick burn out. Old road quiet, old road wise. It talks off, but it never lie. Me burn a draw and meditate. One choice me make and twist of fate. No GPS fi guide me soul, just inner voice take control. All road knowledge deep and strong, guide me when the night feel long. All road knowledge still we die, more than gold, money buy. Exchange or not. Some teach me more than holy book. Share the spliff, share the laugh. Different past, same aftermath. Me learn listen more than talk. Watch the crow, watch the hawk. Nature write the realest verse. Blessing hide inside the curse. Me see me youth self in the dust, full of dream, I'm blind trust. Wish me could want, but life must show. Every man have to walk him road. So me chant for guidance clear, not for remove the pain or fear, but for gain the strength to stand. When truth heavy in a hand, some road straight, some road bend. Some teach start, some teach end. No regret, me overstand. Every step shape the man. All road knowledge deep and strong, guide me when the night feel long. All road knowledge stay with I, more than gold, money buy. Low, me still move slow. Grateful for the road me know. Old dust still pan me shoe. Old road truth still guide me through. Truth again, me sit on the shore, listen deep, hear the rhythm rise from beneath. Salt in the air, calm in my chest. Jah creation guide me every step. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Me watch the tide roll steady slow, carrying stories of long ago. Each ripple bring a healing sound, wash away doubt where hold me down. The sun reflect like liquid gold, showing strength even when me cold. Me breathe the freedom, feel it strong, like a baseline carrying on. People walk by with heavy mind, searching peace them can't find. Me tell them ease your heart today. The ocean
teach a better way. The wave move constant, never tired. Show how life can stay inspired. No need for rush or chase the time. Flow natural in your own design. Oh, ocean of vibration, guide we every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising deep within this soul. Bring we back to balance. Keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony. Keep the love inside. Miss the fishermen chant them prayer. Hoping Jah bless the water clear. Me hear children laughing pure delight, running free like birds in flight. Nature whispering subtle tone. Remember love, you're never alone. Me hold the message in my chest. Gratitude make me truly blessed. Even when storm clouds gather near, me stand firm, no room for fear. The ocean roar, but still it teach. Strength is something always in reach. Me move with purpose, calm and sure. Every lesson shaped me more. Life a journey, steady glide, just like waves along the tide. Me float in peace, my spirit free. No weight can drown the energy. Every sound connect me deep like secrets. Nature love we keep. Meditation in every breeze. Jah comfort put me mind at ease. Ocean of vibration, guide me every day. Carry all the worries far and wash them all away. Feel the rhythm rising deep within this soul. Bring we back to balance. Keep the spirit whole. Ocean of vibration, strong like ancient tide. Lift we up with harmony. Keep the love inside. So when night falls slow and wide, me listen to the shifting tide. Every wave a gentle prayer. Tell me calm is always there. Oh, ocean sing till dawn anew, bringing peace in every you. Na na na.
soft but strong and true. Bring a healing glow for me and you. Me follow the rhythm through the trees. Feel the night wind dance with ease. Stars above write ancient rhyme. Teach me truth beyond the time. No stress can shake me in a space. Night embrace give perfect grace. Me find a freedom pure and wide. Let go every trouble tide. Missy lovers, hold them tight. Walking calm beneath the light. Missy youths laugh down the way. Enjoy the quiet of the days and sway. Moonlight wrap the whole town clean. Make the darkness feel serene. Every face glow with reflection. Night provide a new direction. Whispers soft from sky above. Remind me life built on love. Every dream takes shape tonight. Carried by the silver light. Yeah. Moonlight awakening, shining on the land. Lift the weary heart and hold it in your hand. Calm are the blessing in the nighttime air. Peace for the people everywhere. Moonlight awakening, soft but strong and true. Bring a healing glow for me and you. As the night fade into dawn, me still feel the moonlight strong. Carry peace into the day. Moon guide me along the way. Na na na. Na 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 na. This is the best reggae you ever hear, man. Me feel a cool breeze blow, carry peace below. Me close my eyes and pray. Jah guide me way, every breath a gift again. Wash away the pain. Me see the people run for fame. Forget Jah name, me move slow, me stay wise. Under Jah skies, healing wine through town. Calm the frown, spirit rise and soul repair. Love everywhere, me chant down the fear. Bring Jah near, them build walls but Jah tear down. Crown to crown, every whisper bring hope new to me and you. Healing wine so pure, make me sure. Same healing wine, blow through the nation. Bring Jah vibration, healing wine. Cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Me see the mother pray for son. Battle done, me hear the elders sing again. Free from pain, every sound a healing grace. From Jah place, wind carry love so deep. Never sleep, me walk through the market lane. Hear refrain, people smile through struggle long. Sing Jah song, healing wine cool every fight. Turn wrong to right, love move like wave at sea. Set we free, me feel the spirit dance. Give life a chance when breeze pass me face. Me feel Jah grace, no storm too great fi win. When love within. Oh, healing wine, blow through the nation. Bring Jah vibration, healing wine. Cleanse the soul, make the broken whole. Lift we eye, blow strong, blow kind, free the mind. Oh, 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 oh. So when I grow cold again, me feel the wind explain. Jah live in every breeze, bring with peace. Aye, aye, aye.
Aye, aye, aye.
Aye, aye. Pen in hand, chalice near. Thought them float, vision clear. Blank page, wait, night feel wide. Smoke drifts off side to side. Me write not for please the crowd, me write for free what locked inside. Ink and herb create the key, unlock part of me history. Every sentence come from scar, every rhyme show who you are. Me no polish paint to shine, me leave truth between the lines. Them read fast, but them not see depth hide under simplicity. Smoke slow, thought them slow, that's how real message grow. Me not chase it on the chart, me chase clarity of art. Some verse rough, some verse clean, life not always in between. Smoke between the lines, me write, clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Me burn one and edit less. Perfection kill express. Truth sometimes stumble out. Stutter shake then find it show. Me see me passing on my rhyme. Future knock ahead of time. Herb no write the song for me. It just remove the blindfold key. Me share my page with few not all. Some years deaf when truth too tall. But one soul catch the spark and that alone light up the dark. Me write for the quiet mind. Them who tired of the grind. Smoke fade, words remain. Ink outlive the flame. When the chalice empty dry, still me thought them multiply. No escape, just clarity. Truth write itself through me. Smoke between the lines, me write. Clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Page full now, night grove thin. Morning light soon settle in. Me close book but keep the flame. Truth still call me by my name. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye, aye. Aye, aye.
Zion Reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion angels dance and sing. It blaze with fire, blaze with light. Throne of Jah forever bright. No crown of war, no chain of hate. Throne of Zion, open gate. Forever ruling strong and free. Throne of Jah eternity. Throne of Zion stands so tall. Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah the righteous dream. No man can bribe, no man can sway. Throne of Zion here to stay. It lift the humble, lift the meek. Throne of truth all people seek. Forever holy, never wrong. Throne of Jah forever strong. From dawn of time to endless day. Throne of Zion light the way. Me hear the thunder, hear the flame. Throne of Zion call Jah name. It judge the wicked, heal the pure. and still remain. It shine eternal, never fall. Throne of Jah, one and all. Forever strong, forever pure. Throne of Zion, always sure. Holy light and holy song. Throne of Jah, forever strong. Stand tall, bow down. Throne of Zion, wear the crown. No hate, no war can shake away. Throne of Jah, forever stay. So tall, Jah forever rule we all. Justice flow like holy stream. Throne of Jah, the righteous stream. From age to age, from night to day. Throne of Zion never sway.
Rasta man is higher, man. Through the valley, soft and clear. Voice of wind we always hear. Every whisper, bold and true. Voice of wisdom shining through. Babylon wall may block the ground. Voice of wind still spread the sound. Every breeze a melody. Of mercy set us free. Traveler stop and lift his head. Voice of wind is what he said. Every current guide the way. Voice of love begin to play. Star may come and thunder roar. Voice of peace remain in store. Every note a prophecy. Voice of truth eternity. Elders sit upon this stone. Voice of wind still make it known. Every story carried far. Voice of mercy heal the scar. Children dance within the field. Voice of hope the earth reveal. Every whisper bold and right. Voice of Zion shine the light. Poet hear the sacred tone. Voice of wind is not his own. Every line and every rhyme. Voice of wisdom cross the time. Babylon fortress cannot stay. Voice of truth will sweep away. Every echo strong and free. Voice of mercy victory. Morning rise, the breeze so sweet. Voice of wind at Zion feet. Every nation hear the call. Voice of peace embrace us all. Even mountain bow to sound. Voice of love shake the ground. Everlasting, pure and new. Voice of justice shining true. Generation sing along. Voice of wind compose the song. Every culture, every land. Voice of mercy hand in hand. No corruption, twist the tone. Voice of truth forever shown. Every whisper, bold and true. Voice of Zion shine for you. Never ending, never small. Voice of wind embrace us all. Sacred current, strong and free. Voice of love, eternity. Glorious anthem, pure and high. Voice of mercy fill the sky. Everlasting, old and new. Voice of Zion carry through. Blow, blow. Voice of wind, remove the pride. Sing, sing, melody. Voice of love, eternity. Voice of wind, good and true. Carry a message for me and you. Never fading, never fall. Voice of mercy, guide us all. Forever blowing, strong and free. Voice of truth, eternity. Sacred anthem, pure and new. Voice of Zion, shining true.
Na 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 Zion, Raga King, yeah man. La 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 la. Na 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 Zion. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Endless tide upon the shore. Ocean whisper ancient lore. Every wave a sacred song. Ocean chant the whole day long. Babylon ships may rise and fall. Ocean still embrace them all. Deep and boundless, bold and free. Ocean teach eternity. Fisherman cast net so wide. Ocean bless the daily tide. Every creature, great and small. Ocean care for one and all. Stormy rage and thunder roar. Ocean calm the soul once more. Every drop a holy sign. Ocean carry love divine. La 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 la. La 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 la. Elders sit beside the sea. Ocean sing of prophecy. From creation, first of days. Ocean flow in righteous ways. Even stranger lost and weak. Ocean guide the truth them see. Every current strong and clear. Ocean wash away the fear. Child of Zion build a boat. Ocean help it stay afloat. Every journey, every mile. Ocean blessed with holy style. No corruption bend the tide. Ocean hold the truth inside. Every ripple pure and true. Ocean sing for me and you. Poet writing sandy line. Ocean make the words divine. Every verse a melody. Ocean of eternity. Morning light reflects so bright. Ocean blaze with Jah light. Everlasting, bold and free. Ocean hold the mystery. Babylon walls may try divide. Ocean still forever wide. Generation rise and pray. Ocean guide them every day. No more hunger, no more war. Ocean bless the world once more. Sacred water, strong and deep. Ocean never fall asleep. From the mountain to the coast. Ocean guard the Holy Ghost. Never ending, never small. Ocean rise above it all. Everlasting, pure and true. Ocean flow for me and you. Boundless mercy, shining bright. Ocean glow in Zion light. Flow, flow, deep and strong. Ocean sing the righteous song. Rise, rise, mighty flame. Ocean glorify your name. Ocean of wisdom, vast and free. Carry the people to destiny. Never ending, never fall. Ocean open free one and all. Forever shining, bold and pure. Ocean truth will still endure. Sacred water strong and white. Ocean wash the foolish pride. La 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 la. Na 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 na.
fi be done. Me no soldier with gun, me rebel with drum. Peace me banner, love me creed, freedom me seed. Them say me too soft to fight, but me shine light. Me conquer hate with grace, face to face. Them build empire fi greed. Me sow good deed, me chant revolution pure. Me stand secure, me no need no weapon load. Me move proud, every lyric a bullet clean. Cut through mean, them can't jail me tone. Me stand alone, peace warrior me be spirit free. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Me walk where hate reside, love me guide. Them mark me style and way, me still pray. Each step me taking time, truth me rhyme. Peace no weakness, it's just sweetness. Me fight Babylon with smile, all the while me see hope in every face. Love embrace, no more blood fi spill. Jah will, rebel of peace me call fi one and all. Me hear the trumpet blow, spirit grow. Peace no silence, it's defiance. Me lift me voice pon the hill still. Rebel of peace, stand up strong, right the wrong. Rebel of peace, chant your name, no shame. Rebel of peace, worldwide call, unite we all. Rebel of peace, heart pure, love endure. Me no war, me no hate, me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend. Me sit beneath a mango tree, listening to destiny talk to me. Cool breeze brush me face so mild. Nature soothe me like a child. Me watch the world spinning fast. People worry about future and past, but in a soil, truth remain. Growth can blossom after pain. Me plant a seed of hope today. Water it in every way. Small beginnings turn to might. With patience them grow right. Young ones ask me why life rough, why roads sometimes feel too tough. Me tell them stories ancient strong. Show them how to right the wrong. Give them guidance, give them care. Let them know Jah always there. Roots connect through deep foundation, building up a next generation. Roots of tomorrow, rising from the ground. Spread them through the city, echo through the sound. Up at the silent we defend. New creation from the bend. Roots of tomorrow, hold them firm and true. Grow a better future for me and you. Me see elders reasoning slow, passing wisdom them always know. Me absorb it like morning dew. Every word feel bright and new. Me carry the teachings everywhere, share them with people who need care. Roots strengthen heart and guide the mind. Show the beauty life can line. River flow through hill and plain. Teach resilience after rain. Me follow that and stay aligned. Let peace and clarity entwine. No hurry can disturb me pace. Me plant good deeds in every place. Roots spread wide and unified. Reaching up toward the sky. Me whisper thanks for every day. For blessings hidden in each way. Connection deep, vibration pure. Roots of love, forever sure. Me where roots of tomorrow. Rising from the ground, spread them through the city. Echo through the sound up at the side where we defend. New creation from the bend. Oh yeah. Roots of tomorrow. Hold them firm and true. Grow a better future for me and you. Oh yeah, yeah. Whoa, oh yeah. Roots of tomorrow. Roots of tomorrow. Oh yeah, yeah. Roots of tomorrow. Roots of tomorrow. Oh yeah, yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
Na na na, na na na, na na na. From early dawn, me feel the roar. Strength awaken like never before. Heartbeat drum inside me chest. Jah energy put me to the test. Me walk through valley full of doubt, but courage rise and drown them out. No system trick me not today. Me mind stay firm, me spirit sway. The world can shake and twist around, but lion heart keep solid ground. Me meditate and hold me calm. Storm can break a rasta palm. Me seek people, seek validation. Lost inside the complication. Me whisper truth fi help them rise. Show them strength living at them eyes. The rhythm guide me through the night. Teach me how fi use me voice. Me chant fi uplift every soul. Unity forever be the goal. Lion heart echo roaring through the night. Guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart fall, ever stand tall. Lion heart echo blazing like a flame. Power in the roots, strength in Jah name. Yeah. Me elders teach me long ago. Stand firm when wicked winds blow. Me hold that wisdom every day. Shape me steps along the way. Faith give reason for endure. Make me vision clean and pure. No weakness hold me not again. Just strength ripple through me vein. People gather for the sound. Positive vibration spread around. Me chant and see the crowd uplift. Every heartbeat start to shift. Music heal what pain divide. Bring the community side by side. Lion spirit shine so bright. Turn darkness into light. Fire blaze but love still flow. Courage everywhere me go. No cloud can hide the inner glow. Lion truth forever show. Lion heart echo roaring through the night. Guide the people strong and keep them shining bright. No matter what them try, the spirit never fall. Lion heart forever stand tall. Lion heart echo blazing like a flame. Power in the roots, strength in Jah name. Strength in Jah name. Yeah. So when the night feel deep and long,
strong. Hold the roar and keep it true. Brave vibration live in you.
Aye, 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 ganja and Zion. Reggae, yo, man. Me wake in the valley of Tess. Just spirit beating on me chest. Me walk through the flame and storm. Still me soul stay warm. No fear, no cheer, no lie. Just truth me amplify. Them try fi twist the word, but me still spread Jah word. Me roar like lion strong, righteous in every song. Them can't chop the free. Jah dwell in me, every chant me send. Truth nah bend. Me sight the wicked plot, but Jah forget them not. Them build throne from greed, but me plant love seed. Truth sharp like lightning flash. Cut through the trash, lion heart never tame. Stand in Jah name, hey, lion of truth. Roar through the land, justice rise by Jah hand. Lion of truth, no retreat. Love conquer every beat. Me no fight with gun or blade, me fight with word me laid. Every lyric pure and deep. Wake the sheep, from Zion come the call. Lift up all, me chant until me voice grow hoarse. But me stay on course, the youth them lost in vanity. Me bring clarity, them fed by social chain. Me wash them brain, truth stronger than the gold. Forever bold, me chant till dawn again. Free from pain, lion roar through Babylon gate. Them can't relate, when truth step in at the place. All false erase, Jah fire clean and bright. Turn wrong to right, liar, rough truth, Babylon gate. Them can't relent, when judge step in at the place. All false erase, Jah fire clean and bright. Turn wrong to right, liar, rough truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Oh, lion of truth, stand tall, be free. Rooted deep like the tree. Lion of truth, never fall. Answer Jah call. So when the system try deceive, me still believe. Lion heart inside, we all answer the call. Aye, 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 ganja and Zion. Reggae, yo, man. Man. From the mountain peak me hear lion voice strong and clear. Righteous roar cut through night. Babylon tremble, lose them fight. Strength of spirit, fireball. Lion story, ancient told. No man break, no chain bind. Lion stand tall, Jah design. Children gather, chant along. Lion lead with mighty song. Every step, a thunder sound. Lion God, the holy ground. Babylon throne can't last long. Lion stronger than them wrong. Justice rise, mercy call. Lion stand tall over all. Lion stand tall, mighty king. Power of Zion, Jah bring. Roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease.
the strength remain. Not of violence, not of war, but of truth we fighting for. Heart so gentle, spirit kind, yet no fear for wicked mind. From Africa to every shore, lion roar forevermore. Generations hear the sound, lion echo still around. When the children cry at night, lion roar, restore them light. Elder bow and youth man rise, lion shine before them eyes. Ancient promise, holy call, lion stand for one and all. Roar, roar, thunder loud, lion voice unite the crowd. Strength of Zion never fall, lion stand tall, overall, lion stand tall. Mighty King, power of Zion, Jah bring, roar for freedom, roar for peace. Lion call, war must cease, forever strong, forever true. Lion stand for me and you.
Aye, aye, aye. Kaya and reggae music, yeah, man. Me climb up the mountain tall. Jah hear me call. Every step me rise, me closer to the skies. Me walk through valley pain, still me remain. The stone beneath my feet make my spirit complete. Me fight for the truth, me say Jah walk with me, me never lose my faith. Jah love create, me look down on the plain. See mankind insane, the greed and hate them grow. But me still know, love are the real key, set we free. No man can block Jah way, me pray each day. Higher ground me see, where the humble speak. Jah mountain pure and white, me trod inside. Higher ground me find, peace in my mind. No chain hold me bound. Jah higher ground, me climb through thunderstorm. Still Jah keep me warm, every struggle build my soul. Make me whole, me feel Jah wine caress. My soul bless, me see the sunrise bright. Pure delight, me chant for every soul. Reach Jah goal, me lift me onto sky. Never say goodbye, Jah guide the climb, me try. Me trust in God, one step, one song. Carry me along. Where the humble speak, Jah mountain pure and white. My child inside, higher ground me find. Peace in my mind, no chain hold my bound. Jah higher ground, so when we reach the top, me never stop. Jah glory surround, me rest on higher ground. Reggae, yeah, man. Me dep on Jah Highway, winding on me face, traveling light through this human race. Every mile, teach me new truth to learn.
Inna the fire, the spirit burn me, hear the river low. Jah guide me where fi go. Me start from the ghetto lane, carry the joy, carry the pain. Me no rich but me soul feel tall. Jah blessings overall. Them try fi pull me off the road, me still carry Jah load. Each breath me take a chant, faith abundant. Me see the signs say love ahead, so me drop me dread pan bed. No vanity pan this ride, just truth inside. Me trod through storm, me trod through flame, still call Jah name. Every curve me bend with care, cause Jah dey everywhere. On Jah highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. Me pass by the ones still lost, them pay the cost. Me stop and share a song, help them strong. The journey long but me no tire. Jah give the fire. Every mile me bless, no stress. Me look on the horizon red, hope ahead. Me feel Jah breeze, embrace peaceful place. Me drive through life with grace, no haste. Me leave behind the fear, me draw Jah near. Me no speed, me no slow, me move oh Jah say fi go. Every road lead home one day, to Zion way. On Jah highway me trod, guided by the hand of God. Through the valley, through the fight, me follow the light. On Jah highway me roll, clean me heart, heal me soul. No matter where me roam, Jah road me home. So when me journey end, me meet me friend. On Jah highway me remain, free from pain. No. Early breeze touch me face slow, sunrise off the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame, lose them soul in the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Urban meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl high like prayer go up. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pon head but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and urban rhythm play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not for escaping, me burn for overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear my sight, sharpen my dream. My reason with my brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carries scar. Every man know
reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth, me overstand. Plant a seed, give thanks, move slow. Let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Oh, slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chase name. Every breath a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream.
Zion.